We add a 1/4 cup of white sugar and 3/4 cup of brown sugar. Mix this all together, and then we add 1/2 cup of melted butter. So I just put this in the microwave for a few seconds and then added it to a bowl. Next, I added 1 egg, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix this together. And then I added the flour, which was about 1 1/4 cups of plain flour. Of course, you can use bread flour if you have it. It does make the bread chewier, but I wanted a more cakey texture, so I opted for plain. Mix this together and then add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Next we have the chocolate, so I added 1/2 cup of milk chocolate and a 1/4 cup of dark chocolate. I chopped this using a knife so the pieces aren't too big, and then I left it to chill for 30 minutes. Next I screened it on a baking tray. Make sure it's lined with parchment paper or foil, or as I'm using a silicone mat so it doesn't stick to the pan. And then we add it to a preheated oven at 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for around 10 minutes. Keep an eye on it. And when it comes out, it should be very soft. It does take a while to harden, so be patient and it should come out like a chewy cookie.